In this video, we are going to fix unresponsive start and taskbar, especially in Windows 11. So this is a very common problem which many of us facing, and I'll tell you only one single command which you need to run and it'll be fixed. So I'll press Ctrl-Shift and escape altogether, and the task manager will open up like this, and we need to go through the file menu and then click on Run New Task. And here we need to type CMD. So once you have typed it, hit OK. And a window will appear like this, and we need to run a command, which I'll mention in the description box. So we just need to copy this, like this the way I'm doing it, and here you need to paste it and you need to hit enter. So the moment hit the enter, it'll restart the computer and see if it's working fine or not. If you still have issues, then I'll mention some more commands to repair the whole computer, to repair the whole Windows. So I'll mention 4 commands, which you need to run one by one. And once you're done, then you need to run the SFC scan. So once you restart, most probably it'll fix the problem. And let me know in the comments section if it has worked for you. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.